Understand in this class the rules regarding debit and credit of the three types of account that we have read earlier. These rules are also known as the golden rules of accounting. So let us start with personal account first. As we know that personal account covers all the natural and artificial persons. The rules of debit and credit in respect of personal account is receiver is debited and giver is credited. Means if someone is receiving anything from the business, whether an artificial person or a real person, natural person, that person will be debited. And if someone is giving anything to the business, then it will be credited. The name of such person will be credited. Now comes the real account. Real account means all the assets. The rule is what comes in is debited. मतलब जो कुछ भी बिजनेस में आ रहा है, ध्यान रखिएगा, जो कुछ भी बिजनेस में आ रहा है ओनर के पास आ रहा है नहीं, जो कुछ भी बिजनेस में आ रहा है what comes in the business is debited and what goes out of the business is credited. यानी जो चीज़ बिजनेस से जा रही है that will be credited. Okay. Now comes the third type of account, that is nominal account. Nominal account includes all types of expenses and incomes. According to the golden rule of accounting, in nominal account, all expenses are debited and all incomes are credited. Whatever is the income of the business will be credited and whatever is the expense of the business will be debited. Let us recall the rules again. For personal account, the rule is receiver is debited and giver is credited. Now take an example that the business is paying 5,000 rupees to Ram. The transaction will be like paid cash to Ram. Here Ram is personal account and he is receiving something from business. So we will debit his account. Suppose the transaction is just opposite. Received cash from Ram rupees 5,000. Here Ram is personal account and he is giving something to business. So he will be credited. Now let us come to real account. What comes in the business is debited and what goes out of the business is credited. And you all know that real account is in respect of assets. So let us take the previous two transactions. Paid cash to Ram rupees 5,000. Here cash is an asset. You are paying cash. That means cash is going out of the business. So cash will be credited. Received cash from Ram, rupees 5,000. Again, cash is an asset and cash is coming in business. Someone is paying us means cash is coming in the business. So it will be debited. The third type of account is nominal account, which covers all types of expenses and incomes. And the rule is all the expenses are debited and all the incomes are credited. Now let us understand it with the help of an example. Rent paid rupees 5,000. Here, rent is an expense because we are paying it. So it will be debited. Rent received rupees 5,000. Here, rent is an income because we are receiving it. So it will be credited. Hope the rules are clear to you. Now, in next class, we will proceed with some journal entries, some basic journal entries.